The 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is here, and it's making a bold statement in the compact SUV segment. With its latest redesign, the T-Roc is sharper, smarter, and more premium than ever before. Welcome back to Quake, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, insights, and deep dives. Today, we're exploring what makes the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc stand out in such a competitive space from the outside. The 2026 T-Roc is a significant evolution of the previous model. Volkswagen has given it a more assertive front fascia, featuring a redesigned grille, sleeker LED matrix headlights, and a sportier bumper design that enhances its road presence. The side profile is muscular, with pronounced wheel arches and new alloy wheel options ranging from 17 to 19 inches. At the rear, a full-width light bar and updated taillamps bring it in line with Volkswagen's new family design language. The roofline remains coupe-like, giving it a dynamic stance while still being practical. Under the hood, the T-Roc 2026 offers multiple engine options, including a 1.5-liter TSI petrol with 150 horsepower and a 2.0-liter TSI delivering 190 horsepower. For the eco-conscious, a plug-in hybrid variant is also available, boasting a combined output of around 210 horsepower and a pure electric range of over 60 kilometers. All engines come mated to Volkswagen's smooth 7-speed DSG transmission, and selected models offer 4-motion all-wheel drive for improved traction and stability in all conditions. Step inside, and you're greeted with a completely revamped interior. Volkswagen has taken customer feedback seriously, replacing the previous model's hard plastics with soft-touch materials, leatherette trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The digital cockpit is now standard, featuring a high-resolution 10.25-inch instrument cluster and a new 12.9-inch floating infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is fast, intuitive, and supports voice commands via VW's latest IDA assistant. Comfort-wise, the T-Roc is a clear winner. The seats are ergonomically designed and available with heating, ventilation, and even massaging functions in higher trims. Rear passengers get ample legroom and improved underthigh support, while the panoramic sunroof adds a feeling of openness to the cabin. The boot space stands at around 445 liters, and with the rear seats folded, it expands to over 1,300 liters, making it ideal for road trips or daily use. Safety is another strong area for the 2026 T-Roc. Volkswagen has packed it with advanced driver assist systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, and a new travel assist feature that combines multiple systems for semi-autonomous driving on highways. A 360-degree camera and automatic parking assist are available on higher trims for added convenience. Driving the T-Roc is a refined experience. The suspension has been retuned for better comfort and agility, especially in the R-Line and 4-motion variants. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down a highway, the T-Roc remains composed, with precise steering and minimal body roll. The cabin is well insulated from road and wind noise, giving you a premium driving feel usually associated with higher-end vehicles. Price-wise, the T-Roc 2026 starts at around $30,000 for the base variant, with fully loaded models going up to $45,000, depending on the powertrain and features. While that may seem on the higher end for a compact SUV, the T-Roc more than justifies it with its premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and confident performance. To sum it up, the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is not just a facelift, it's a full-scale transformation that brings it closer to luxury crossovers while retaining its compact practicality. Whether you're a city commuter, a young family, or someone who just enjoys a well-rounded SUV, the T-Roc deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you like this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Quake for more in-depth car content.